So hello everyone, my name is Ritvik and I'm studying in 8th grade. So I have currently completed an autonomous robotics course at Roboprenr HSR, and this is my project. This is a theft prevention system. So what all the things I've used in this project are two IR sensors, one in the middle and one above, a buzzer, an Arduino Uno microcontroller and an Arduino shield. So how this works is that whenever there is a black line and the IR sensor follows the black line along with the robot. So whenever something is interrupting the path of the robot, the buzzer beeps for around 2 seconds, rotates, and then it starts working again. So I'll show you how this works. So it works like this. So it keeps on going, and whenever something like a thief comes near it, the buzzer is going to beep when I keep my hand near the IR sensor for 2 seconds. It will rotate and then get back on its path. So that's how my robot works. You can see that. And now I keep my hand over here. So it's going to beep, come back on path on its own. So that's my theft prevention robot. This could actually help in a lot of really good ways, like when you're asleep at night and somebody is coming inside your house without your permission. So this beeps and then you can just come out and see whoever is there. So that's how my theft prevention